So this question asks, what is the first step to take in case of blood exposure during a service? Is it 1, ask the client to clean the wound themselves, 2, apply makeup to cover the wound and continue the service, 3, continue the service and clean the blood after completing the service, or 4, immediately stop the service, clean the wound, and put on gloves before continuing? Well, let's start with some of the more obviously incorrect answers, which is 2, apply makeup to cover the wound and continue the service. This is, of course, not correct. If there is a wound and a risk of blood exposure, then covering it with makeup will not be enough. This is unsanitary and can lead to infection, and it doesn't actually solve the problem. So 2 is incorrect. Then we have 1, ask the client to clean the wound themselves. Well, 1 is also not correct, because it is the practitioner's responsibility to clean the wound, not the client's. Then we have 3, continue the service and clean the blood after completing the service. This is also incorrect. If there's a risk of blood exposure, well then contamination is a major risk, and it needs to be addressed immediately. So the service can't be continued until the risk is mitigated. So 3 is incorrect. And that leaves us with 4. Immediately stop the service, clean the wound, and put on gloves before continuing. And this is our correct answer. As soon as there is a risk of blood exposure that becomes aware to you, you should immediately stop the service, make cleaning the wound the priority, and afterwards, even after cleaning the wound, you should put on gloves before continuing. So it's 4 that is the correct answer.